I'm gonna have to redo this one too. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jade Nadaree. If you're new here, I post fashion, college, and lifestyle related content. So if you're into that, make sure you go down below and subscribe. And today I'll be doing a how to do a flexi rod set on natural hair. So stay tuned to watch the rest of the video. Okay guys, we are back and the hair is washed. And this is how it looks after moisturizing, conditioning, shampooing. But as you guys can see, the curls are there. I still have a little bit of heat damage. I'm gonna put a picture up of like how I used to have heat damage though. So honey, it used to be bad. It used to be really bad. But I've been wearing my hair natural, not getting it straightened as much for a good 4 or 5 years now. And this is where we're at. So I'm about to show you guys how I do a flexi rod set. If I wear my hair natural, that's the style that I usually go for. Because it just works the best. And I use this Cream of Nature coconut milk curl repair leave-in. This is what really makes my hair curl and makes it stay curly. And I use these Flexi Rods from the beauty supply, $5.49. I use Eco Styler on my edges. Sometimes I don't. It's barely nothing in here. And then I use this comb, but not really, because I really don't care about my parts when it comes to the flexi rod sets, because it really doesn't matter. You're not going to see it anyway. And then if I need to brush out my hair, then I just use this comb. Not a comb. This is a brush, like it's not a dimming brush because I lost my dimming brush. I think it's like a paddle brush. I'm not sure. But yeah, so let's get into it. Because baby, my flexi rod sets usually be coming out really cute. I'm gonna start at the front, because if you start running out, you would rather have your stuff be big, chunky, and ugly in the back than in the front. You don't want your stuff to be big, chunky, and ugly in the front. That's not cute. That's not cute. I'm gonna part my hair. It don't need to be straight for real. I don't even know how to part straight, honey. Disclaimer, I am not a beautician, honey. I just do what I know how to do. Oh, I just do what I know how to do on my hair. And it comes out cute, usually. Hopefully it comes out cute. Okay, guys, that's how straight it's gonna get. That's low-key to the side. Hold on. Okay, we're back with a medium straight part. Yeah, that's decent. That's real decent. Okay. So we're gonna start off with a section over here. Like I said, I don't be parting it because there's really no point in parting it. It's all gonna come together in the end. So there's no point in parting your hair for real. So we're gonna take this front section. Gonna have the rest of the hair to the back. This ponytail look nice though, don't it? Real full, real full. And we're gonna take this, put some on our hand, use the palm method. What's that called? Praying hands method. You see how it's still like heat damaging my hair? But it's getting better. It's really getting better, but not completely. Yeah, it's decent. Cause honey, the heat damage that I used to have, it was treacherous. I think I only need to do maybe three parts. Hold on, I'm gonna make this one smaller just because it's in the front. Like I said, in the front, when I have the front ones, I like to make it as small as possible. So I take a flexi rod, straighten it out. I haven't done this in so long. Do I start at the top or do I start at the bottom? I think I start at the bottom. Yeah, that makes the most sense. So I take it, I wrap it at the bottom. Boom, it's stuck on there. And then as I go up, I twist it. So it can really give a curl. Oh, hold on, hair getting stuck. Put it to the back. So I can really get that curl that we want, that we need. And I go all the way to the roots, to the edges. And boom, no edge left. And then I just twist it. And that's it. Some people use gel product when they do this, like gel, like throughout their whole head. But I don't. I mean, it's what works with you, what works for you. Personally, I just don't do that. Just wrap it. I usually try to keep it close together, just so I don't like run out or nothing or whatever. Don't be pulling at your hair either. So I try to hold it so I'm not pulling at my hair. Ow. And this stuff, it's hard to sleep in this. And this takes forever. That's why I really hate doing this hairstyle. But this hairstyle, it lasts about a week and a half or something on me. And this is the only hairstyle, natural hairstyle, that lasts on me. Twist outs, they don't last. They be gone after the second day. Wash and goes, those definitely don't last. They don't even look cute the first day. Well, sometimes. It depends. But you got to keep on messing with that. You got to keep on putting product in it and fixing it up. These, I literally don't have to fix it. Barely. Maybe I have to fix like a couple twists. They start loosening up. Like towards the 3rd day maybe. 4th day. Ow! But other than that, I'll be good to go. If you like Flexi Rod sets, then leave a like. If you don't like Flexi Rod sets, still leave a like. But if you definitely do Flexi Rod sets and you have tips for me, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear it. But this is what I do if I use gel. I haven't used it because I just didn't feel like my edges really needed it. But I go to the top and I just gel it down a little bit so it won't be like all poofy at the top. But usually, I mean, my hair is not really poofy anyway right now, so I just feel like it's not that necessary. Sure it's really tight to your head. It may hurt a little bit. It shouldn't hurt, but it might. Just know that it's really tight because you don't want it to be loose and it's gonna make it poofy at the top, and that's not that cute. On Monday, never need no one else, babe. I'll be switching the positions for you. I got this Boss Bar when I was 16 for my 16th birthday party, and look at it, it's only grown this much. That's ridiculous. Well, it's only been 2 years, and it's how much it grew. That's nothing. This is the hair growth oil I use. I mean, I don't use it that much, honestly. I read somewhere that oil, I was on Twitter or something, and they said oil really don't help your hair grow. Let me know in the comments if that's true, if you're a hair person. We got one side done. I ended up starting to do it like downward instead of across. And then I just gotta do this side, but my phone's about to die, so I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, so we're finally done. I think this took like an hour and a half or 2 hours. I'm not even sure. But it's done. It's all around the head. I think they're in tight. I'm just going to put on a scarf and then going to take it out in the morning. So I'll show you guys in the morning. 2 pieces like not unraveled, but some strings of hair hanging. So I just rolled it up with these little, what are these called? So I'll be back in the morning to show you guys the finished look, the finished product. Hey guys, I'm back. It is 19 hours later. I let my hair dry overnight. I just untwist it. And as I take it down, you can twist it in the opposite direction so it can, and boom. I should have did that for this one because as you can see, I kind of messed it up. Because you want to, as you take it down, you want to untwist it the same way that you twisted it up. You want to twist it the opposite way so it can come down correctly and give you that nice little curve. If you feel like you can't wait that long for your hair to dry, or your hair takes longer to dry, you could always get under a hooded dryer or just like put a dryer against your hair and hold it for a minute just to help it dry. Some of my pieces are a little bit wet, like this piece. I may have to redo it. But overall, my hair is pretty dry. Good enough. We have pieces that are like really not dry. You could always roll it back up and go under the dryer. Wait 30 minutes and boom, it'll be dry. I did that section pretty big, so it took a minute for it to dry. Okay, so I'm about to get under the dryer and re-ravel these couple pieces because I just don't like how they came out, because it wasn't like, it's too big and not dry enough. But as you can see, the rest of them are pretty dry and looks good. Okay guys, so it's like 30 minutes later. I raveled it back up, like some of the pieces, and so if you want to have your hair like look bigger, you can unravel some of the pieces, but I'm just gonna keep it like this just because I plan on wearing this hairstyle for a long time. Well, not for a long time, but for the whole week. So I don't want to start unraveling it now and it start looking messy. So I'll just like unravel it as the weeks go by. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video on how to do a Flexi Rod set. If you guys have any tips for me, let me know in the comments. But thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your naturalistas, your curly girls, your curly boys. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.